Yes, we aim to educate citizens about their rights and the importance of holding police officers accountable to the people. 6, to confront and dismantle the culture of impunity that has allowed the police officers to act without fear of consequences. We seek to establish a precedent that is above the law and that all public officials must be held accountable for their actions. 7, to draw the attention of international human rights organizations and foreign diplomatic missions to the ongoing issues of police injustice in Ghana. We will seek their support in pressuring the Ghanaian government to address these concerns and uphold international human rights standards. Through Occupy and Cleanse the Crime Scene protest, the Alliance for Restoration of Civil Rights aim to bring about meaningful change, ensuring that justice is served and the rights of all citizens are protected. This protest is not only about addressing the failures of the police, but also about acknowledging their sacrifices. We recognize that many officers serve with dedication, but it is the systemic corruption and impunity that put both the public and the police at risk. The Alliance for Restoration of Civil Rights stands firm in its commitment to achieving justice and accountability. We cannot and we will not tolerate a police service that prioritizes impunity over integrity, corruption over accountability, and brutality over the protection of human rights. This protest is peaceful but determined to demand reform, a reform that is long overdue and urgently needed. Thank you, and we look forward to your continuous support for a more just Ghana. We invite all Ghanaians, civil society organizations, members of the international community to join us on Wednesday, 11 September 2024. Together we will make it clear: injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. I was involved in an armed robbery and an assassination attempt. I petitioned the director of CID, and during the ongoing of the investigation, the police committed a lot of misconducts during the investigations. So I got my evidence together, and I did what I was supposed to do. I realized they withheld critical facts and evidence from the case, and then they took the docket to the Attorney General's office, and the Attorney General disrecommended prosecution, which was not supposed to be so. When I requested for the report from the Attorney General's office, Attorney General refused me the information until I petitioned the Right to Information Commission, and then they released the information. Then the Attorney General released the information. When they released the information, I realized a lot of critical facts have been omitted from the report. When I wrote back to the Attorney General said there was nothing he could do about it, but I should liaison with the police service and get the report from them, and then if I want to come and dispute that with him, then I can come. But ever since, I've tried everything possible, but the police refused to give that information to me. We are going to write a petition to the president, and if the president doesn't do anything, we are going to go to court, either the Supreme Court or the High Court. I'm dwelling on 5 cases. I'm the victim for 2, and the rest of the 3 are other victims. Yes, I was able to identify each and every one of them. Victims are people that have videos that have intercepted on social media, while people are engaging in violent crimes like mob justice and all of that in this country. And I have written petitions to the IGP and the director of CID. I wrote the petition to the director of CID, and I copied the IGP. And even with that being said, I've copied the commissioner, the Shraj. I've petitioned all the letters, the petitions that I give. I make sure I copy all these relevant civil society organizations, government institutions like the Speaker of Parliament, the Attorney General, legal aid. I petition all of them, so they are all aware of what is going on. Challenges that we faced while we were in preparation for this protest, but we went back, and for this protest was supposed to take place on 6th August 2024, but we went back and forth with the Ghana Police Service for 2 months until we recently secured the permit to embark on this protest. So all that permit has been secured.